everybody, welcome to Phonics for Preschool Children. Today we are going to have a little practice of some of the sounds we've already learnt. We're going to be looking at the sounds curly k, kicking k, and oh. Let's start by seeing how many sounds you can remember. Try to say either curly k or kicking k. Oh. Kicking k. Curly k. This time I'll show you a picture. I want you to see if you can tell me which sound it starts with. So the first picture is a kangaroo. So kangaroo starts with a kicking k. Octopus. That's right, it starts with an O, doesn't it? Cat. Yes, that starts with curly k. Well done. I have my special box again today, and I want you to help me to sort the objects according to their sounds. Some of the things in my box start with an O. Some begin with kicking k, and some start with curly k. I wonder if you can tell me which sounds they start with, so I know which objects to put on which cards. Okay, let's open the box. I have a kite. Kite starts with a kicking k. But well done if you knew it started with a k anyway. Ox. That starts with an O, doesn't it? Cat. Cat starts with a curly k, but again, well done if you said k. Ketchup. Yes, that starts with our kicking k. Oblong. An oblong is a shape. Yes, oblong starts with an O. And last of all, camera. That starts with our curly k. It's quite confusing, isn't it, knowing whether it starts with a kicking k or a curly k. To finish up, let's play I Spy. The choices are kangaroo, orange, car. I spy with my little eye something that starts with a kicking k. Did you remember? It was the kangaroo. Let's do another one. This time the choices are keys, ostrich, caterpillar. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the sound O. Do you know what it is? It's O for ostrich. We'll do one last one. The choices are crocodile, koala, and octopus. I spy with my little eye something that starts with a curly k. Do you know what it is? It's the crocodile. Well, we've reached the end of today's learning. If you have found this useful in any way, then please would you subscribe to my channel? It would be really helpful. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.